Welcome to your guided meditation. My name is Heather from yogabyheather.com, and this is your 15-minute guided meditation designed to help you embrace the affirmation, I am accepting. Together, we will create space for compassion and understanding, allowing you to connect with yourself and the world around you without judgment. Take this time for yourself, find a comfortable position, settle in, and let's begin. Today, we will reflect on the affirmation, I am accepting. Together, we explore how to welcome ourselves and others with compassion and understanding, free from judgment. Please note this is an audio-only meditation with no music. You don't need to watch the screen, and will embrace the natural sounds around us, letting them flow through your awareness without attachment. Allow yourself to settle into a comfortable position, seated or lying down, where you feel fully supported. Take a moment to adjust your posture. Soften your shoulders. Let your hands rest gently. And close your eyes or let your gaze soften. Begin to notice your breath, feeling its natural rhythm. Allow the sounds around you to flow through your awareness. Perhaps you hear the hum of daily life, the gentle murmurs of the world continuing around you. Acknowledge these sounds and let them pass without attaching meaning. This moment is yours to simply be. Turn your attention inward. Starting with the bottom of your feet, slowly scan your body, moving upwards to the crown of your head. Notice areas that might need attention. They might feel tense. You may need to relax them. Continuing to breathe. Scanning through your whole body. Without judgment, simply observe and accept what is present. As you exhale, imagine softening those areas, releasing any unnecessary tension, making space for ease and self-acceptance. Now let the affirmation, I am accepting, come into your awareness. As you inhale, silently say, I am. And as you exhale, say accepting. Breathing in, I am. Exhale, accepting. Let this rhythm anchor you. Each repetition carries a gentle invitation to let go of resistance and embrace the present moment. Inhale, I am. Exhale, accepting. Continue this rhythm. I am. Accepting. Feel the warmth of acceptance spreading through you like a soothing light, softening the edges of your mind and body. I am. Accepting. With your breath steady and calm, bring gentle attention to your surroundings. Feel the ground supporting your body. I am. Accepting. Sense the weight of your presence in this space. Hear the sounds around you, the distant murmurs, the occasional shift of air, and let them flow through your awareness. Inhale, I am. Exhale, accepting. Just as you accept yourself, allow these external experiences to simply be. I am. Accepting. Now picture yourself standing in front of a mirror. See your reflection with soft, compassionate eyes. Instead of focusing on details, notice the energy you carry and the strength within you. Meet your gaze with kindness and silently affirm, I accept you as you are. Take a moment to let these words settle. I accept you as you are. Feel the warmth of acceptance wrapping around you like a comforting embrace. This is a space free from judgment, just love, understanding, and gratitude for all that you are. I accept you as you are. Now imagine someone significant in your life standing before you. It might be a loved one, a friend, or even someone who challenges you. See them as they are, without judgment or expectation. Silently repeat, I embrace you as you are. I embrace you as you are. Feel the act of acceptance connecting you to others, bringing ease and compassion into your relationships. I embrace you as you are. Gently bring your awareness back to the room. Feel your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a deep breath in. I am, and exhale, accepting. Thank yourself for taking this time to nurture your inner peace and well-being. Remember, this practice of acceptance is always available to you whenever you need it. As you move forward with your day, your week, your month, carry this sense of calm and openness with you, allowing acceptance to guide your thoughts, actions, and interactions. Thank you for joining me today on this 15-minute guided meditation designed to help you embrace the affirmation, I am accepting. Have a wonderful rest of your day.